Simone!
What?
What is that here, sir?
Your suitcase?
So my suitcase I do it, I said, Simone, yo, stop playing. What me doing?
No. You gotta go. I don't want you here.
We are talking.
I know, Kyle.
Simone, stop. Yo, out here cold. Me just a come from work. Why me things them I do out here, sir?
Go back to your side chick, Kyle.
Simone, really?
Go back, Kyle. I know everything.
What kind of side chick you talk about, Simone? Listen, I work me I come from. Out here so cold right now. What me things them I do out here, sir?
Work.
When me left here, so me go straight to work and me come back here, sir.
That's not true.
What you talk about?
No, I don't want you here, Kyle. You gotta go.
Me reach here, out the door cold and me things them out the door here come tell me boy you don't want me here. What is?
Leave. No.
Just me say good night to my daughter.
She doesn't want to see you, Kyle.
Simone, me just need to see my daughter and tell her good night and me just left her.
She doesn't want to see you, Kyle.
Really?
If you don't leave now, I'm gonna call the cops. And
For what?
you know you're not straight, so don't let me call the cops, Kyle.
So this I bring to me right now.
Leave now, Kyle. I'm gonna call the cops.
Really, Simone?
Kyle, leave before I call the cops. She don't want to see you. Bye.
Why you if tell you the truth? Tell you the truth, dog. Right now me just stress out because me really and truly me know where all of this have come from. She have come tell me about side piece and all of them something. My youth, you know say when me left here so, dog, me go straight to work and forward back. If I know you me I hang out with dog, you're the only person besides she me know you're in a dog.
Every day. You don't really go anywhere. Bro, all you do is work.
Me no know, yo, me have a feelings like right now me just feel like she probably have somebody else. Like she has see somebody and she just don't know how to say it to me. That's why she want me out of the house.
What?
Me no know cause me no know where all of this a come from. She just a tell me about side piece and how she no want me there. Yo, all me ask her for do, you know, I just me see my daughter tonight and she said no in the dog.
Yo, come on these days, bro. They be doing the most for no reason, bro.
Imagine that in a dog. My daughter mean everything to me in this world, you know, brother. And I ask her, I say, yo, me no business where you want to do. You can kick me out of your house or whatever. Just please me see my daughter.
She wouldn't even let you see your daughter? That's wicked, B. Oh, I swear,
Yo,
woman?
to tell you God truth,
Woman.
sometime all of what me I do right now, me just go straight to work, go back home. All of this really and truly are for my daughter. Me just try save up her money so she can have something. She have something to look forward to. That's all me I try do right now. You know what I mean? Me I work and me I put aside a little money just so me can pay for my papers. And she link me, you know, and tell me say she have somebody where me can go through with and do the marriage. But we have to pay for that. And that's why me I work so hard, brother. Just for do all of that. And right now for she come and look for me and I tell me about me and children. Side piece, dog.
She don't even know how you are honest, man, out here.
Dog, to tell you the truth, me feel like me forward up here and run off was probably one of the biggest mistakes for me.
Don't say that, bro.
I swear to you, I feel like I should just stay at Jamaica and do all of that. For forward up here and I go through all of this.
Let me tell you something. If you feel like she's seen somebody else, just stay away from her. And just do it for your daughter. Same way. I mean, you have to just figure out a way to do this co-parent situation. Because if she's moving like that and want to call police, and she know your situation, yo, that's a wicked. That's a wicked.
Brother, she tell me, say my daughter don't want to see me.
How she gonna
Slam
say
door in
something
my
like
face.
that?
That she tell me, you know.
Yo.
She say my daughter don't want to see me and slam door in my face, and that she do.
so wicked?
She say if me no left from her place, a police should go call it, and you know me no straight in a dog. So what you think I got to me? Me get deported in a dog. I saw she wicked in my youth.
Yo, let me tell you something. See, as long as I'm around, you will never be homeless on the street. Go forward at my house. You don't have to worry about going to people's house and catching here and there. Forward. Go pick up your suitcase and forward. With your suitcase. Back. Go get it before she even call police and make the situation worse. Yo, wicked? Come on. Yeah, bro, this is the place. I mean, I wish it was bigger, but it's a nice little spot. I was about to rent it out.
Oh man, you're so perfect.
Yeah, bro, hold it down. This is you. The bathroom is downstairs in the basement. The kitchen is right there. The dining area. You're good. Don't worry about nothing.
Blessings, you know, cause straight here. What if people don't do this to me?
Bro.
Because I really and truly appreciate this.
Yo, bro, you can't, no man left behind. You can't have you on the street, bro. Come on. But, yo, I'm about to go get some food, because I'm just hungry. You want some food?
No, man, I'm good still, you know.
You sure?
No, man, me alright, man. Me alright, man. You're doing enough already.
Bro.
Blessings and respect again, you know,
Don't
brother.
watch nothing, bro. Outside.
Hello? Sister Pat? Yeah. I'm stuck at work tonight. I'm stuck at work. I won't be able to pick her up. Was she good? Alright, so I'm gonna pick her up tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'll pay you extra, so don't worry about that. Okay. Can I speak to her, please? Bree? Are you behaving yourself? Okay, good. I can't pick you up tonight, but I can pick you up tomorrow morning, okay? 9 a.m. I'll take you to IHOP. Alright, I'll tell you what, tomorrow, it's gonna be a girl's day. Okay? IHOP, movies, ice cream, whatever you want. Okay? Alright, baby girl. Don't forget to put your phone on the charger, okay? And call me before you go to bed. Alright? Okay, baby girl. Love you. Put Sister Pat on the phone, please. Love you. Okay. Sister Pat? Yeah. 9 a.m. sharp. I'll be there, okay? So have her ready. Alright? Thank you so much. Alright, take care. Bye.
Hello? Yo, brother, what going? No, you know me there. No. My phone is probably dead. Yo, I want to tell you some big things that reach me today, you know. No cell phone and my friend them behind me there. Dog, I reached today I got work, right? Reach and me had you know Simone put me out. Brother, she a come talk about me there with that girl and how me I got side chick yard and all of them foolishness the dog. Then that me I say. And that you know, yo, me feel like Simone there with somebody but she don't know how to bring it to me or I don't know if you explain it. But me left work, I go over it. Remember now, you me talk to every day, you know. If not every day, every other day me call you, you know, dog. It's only one friend me have, you know, and I have a female me there right now, you know. I'm alone, I look out for me right now, you know. No. Yo, the thing is, if you tell you the truth, I don't even know. Yo, the argument where she bring to me, I say me have other girl where when me say me I go work, me not gonna work over them yard, me I gonna all them type of things there. You're supposed to know better to brother. What kind of girl yard? Dog, you know say from reach here, the only thing me I do, I work and save my money to take care of breed dog. And make sure my paper sort out. She can believe whatever she want to believe, yeah. Me just talk about what? You know the last thing Simone said to me like a while? She go call police for me. Dog, you know me not there straight. So what she think I got when she call police for me? She not care, dog. She not care about breed. She not business. And that's why me I said to myself, say, she probably have another man, though. Yo, if I saw, I just saw, you know. She said me not to come back over there. Me I try call her phone, it seems like she blocked me number car. No matter how me try, just I go straight to voicemail. Me know she have a spare key. She always hide a spare key outside. Me can try that, but to tell you the truth, me no want to go back over there and then she bring up police to me or she even go through with it and call police for me, then what go? Me I tell you, me know the spare key is still there. All me have to do is just go over there and search for it. You know me I go do it. I go listen to you and I go do it. I go over there and see if I find it. And see if I can actually talk to her. Because something must have gone while she act the way. Yeah man, I call her Uber and go over there. If I not me call in the morning, I make you know what I'm going. Alright.
We gotta talk.
Sexy. Talk about what?
Kyle.
Let's talk about that man later.
No.
Why you moving like that?
Now that he's out the house, like, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna be a couple. I just dropped him off at his catty house. He's not thinking about you.
As long as Kyle is still alive, we can't do this.
What you want? What are you talking about? You talking about offing him, killing him?
Yeah.
Ooh. I ain't signed up for no killing business. You feel me?
It's either gonna be you or him. Because Kyle is not gonna stand for this.
I'm not standing to kill nobody. Yeah, we could be together, but I'm not killing no man to go to jail or anything like that. Kill a man? How you reach so far?
So you're not gonna do it?
Relax.
You know what? Forget it. Forget it.
What you mean forget it?
This is a big mistake.
Everything is sorted out already.
Forget it.
Turn around.
Let's
Come
go.
here. Come
No,
here.
let's go.
What you mean?
Let's go.
What you
If you don't leave right now, I'm gonna call the cops.
call the cops?
Yes.
What you mean you're gonna call the cops?
I'm gonna call the cops. If you don't leave.
Call the cops. Call the cops.
Get off me! Get off me!
Simone. Simone. Bree. Bree. Brianna. What's my in there? You alright? Who are you there with? Alright. Tell sister Pat say. Tell sister Pat forget already, me I come for you. Alright.
Yo, I don't want to hear none of that today. Just make sure everything reach you, everything capacity, and everything how it's supposed to go. You see what I said? Because I'm not doing a shortage business.
Yo, my brother.
You hear me? I said, I'm calling, man. Yo, where are you?
Then, thing go on.
Yo, so what's important? You couldn't tell me over my phone, dogs. You know, me have a business already.
You right now, me not lick up hot water, you know. And to tell you the truth, you're the only person who could have come to right now. You know what I mean?
So you say hot water, yeah, what you mean?
Me I try get a tool.
So right now, you know, I'm naked right now, yo. At that, I just have to open the phone and you walk in, you know. But me I get a shipment in the morning, so I say something I kick from front yard.
That nah go help me. I can't wait till the morning, dog. That nah go help me, brother. That nah go help me. Tonight need it. That nah go help me, dog.
Yeah, well, if I can't wait till the morning, I got here, you know. So I say, but if I can't wait, I guess then, brother.
Alright, if I not me link in the morning still, but tonight me kinda need it still, you know.
Yeah, but if you don't work out tonight, just link me tomorrow. So I say, I have a brand new care forward.
Alright, if you get nothing tonight, just call me.
Yeah, man.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man, you must have something for you.
So this where friendship come down to.
Yo, bro, it didn't even mean to go down like this, bro.
Which part you talk? The fact say you been there with my woman or the fact say you murder her tonight?
I'll tell you something. Your girl wasn't innocent. Your girl want me to murder you.
You think after you lied to me after all these days, weeks, months, you think that tonight me I go believe you?
You don't have to believe me. I'm telling you the truth. That's exactly what she wanted me to do. She was actually asking me to get rid of you. Begging me to get rid of you.
Nothing what you said to me right now, me not hear. Me not try to hear that. Me don't want to hear that.
Yo, I already called the police already and they're on their way. And there's only two ways out of this situation right now. One, you could try and kill me. The kid's gonna end up in a foster care. Motherless and fatherless.
So hold on. After you murder her mother, that you come bring to me right now.
Or two, we go our separate ways and live to see another day. And you get to be with your daughter. I mean, and see her grow up. So it's your decision.
Lord Bray. Yeah, mama, soon forward. Me about to come now. Your sister Pat and me soon reach outside.
What you wanna do?
This more, you know. You see, as long as me is alive, nobody think tonight